Playing some vampire game mode, guys. You know the rules. Shoot on sight anybody that you see. Oopsies, if I can get this sling mount working. Actually, it's a good sling mount. I need to go around corners quick, so basically, when I leave the store, I yell go. Everybody starts shooting at each other. It's gonna be interesting. And I'm gonna wait till roughly everybody's in their little corners that they want to be in. Okay, go! See anybody? He's kind of lame.
You can either go for him or Tom.
Well, I mean, he's right there and we have the uphill advantage. I love how your mom doesn't flinch. I think we just saved him from Jeremy. The question is, where is Jeremy?
Might be in the CQB right now.
Yeah. I'm reloading. Hold on.
So if we get Thompson's over there, Justin's over there,
Jeremy's somewhere over
down
here.
there at the bottom of the path.
Okay.
If we get Jeremy, it's 4 on something. Could be 4 on
4 and
1.
2.
Let's go find Thompson.
So try taking that.
Hold up.
Okay.
I need to lower my hop up because I was shooting way high. Oh, there's Justin. I think he knows.
Guys, now Jeremy's on here. Let's take out Jeremy.
Okay. Going wide. Straight across on the path. Jake. Push, 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 push. He's empty, he's empty.
That was more of a game if I ran out of ammo. I'm pretty sure Thomas is waiting up there. No, he's not. We saw him all the way down by the
He's over there.
Oh. Well
Okay,
done.
guys, I was saying 2 people that way, 2 people this way.
Okay.
Circle them at the farm.
Which way?
Well,
Do you two want to go that way?
sure. We're both casual.
Okay.
Here.
Spencer and I will go this way.
get mad when you point the gun in their direction.
I wonder why.
It's not like I'm aiming at them. It's just over in their general vicinity. It's like,
Did they go? Huh? Yeah. They're giving away our position.
stick to the tree line. We should be able to get behind it. I'm gonna move to cover.
Copy. Push forward, push forward. Both of them. Push up, push up. Dogs. I keep pushing them because Jake and Jeremy over. Oh, copy.
Let me get out of the way. What are you doing? I'm out. I don't know who hit me. Not my team now, Tom. You're on the same team. What? Justin, you gotta let him get to our side before you shoot him again. Once Thomas is out of the open, he's in fire.
Fire!
Go!
Hit, 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 hit!
Thomas was walking away, just shot him in the back.
That was interesting.
Me and him were like fighting one battle for so long.
Why would you guys run over there?
We didn't know you were over here. We thought you were still running down this way. I was actually gonna try to loop up this way. You guys are on the same team. I'm like, why are they going to the corner and it's still covered?
Didn't know you were over there, so I had a plan, but you were over there. Stay around?
I had a plan to fall inside.
What? Stay around?
I think Bennington will.
So you want to show your dick? Is that what you're saying? You want me to look at your dick right now so your dick can be on YouTube?